Hello everyone, myself Vedansh. I am from Engineering Physics 3rd year and my topic of video PPT is Mobile Phone Communication System. In this presentation, I am going to talk about how mobile phone network works. I will start with explaining the necessity of analog to digital conversion. After that, what is base transceiver stations, popularly known as BTS, and the need of a base station controller, which is known as BSC, and the need of mobile switching center, that is MSC. And finally, I will briefly talk about mobile phone generations. In the beginning, telephone communication uses direct connection of wires, and the form of signal used was analog signals. Since these signals were transferred through wires, they were sensitive to external influences, and disturbances could be heard sometimes. Also, noise reduction techniques are much more complicated to apply on analog signals than on digital signals. Due to these factors, analog to digital converters, also known as ADC, are used in mobile phones. So, as we speak, microphone inside the mobile phone converts our audio signal into analog signal, and ADC converts this analog signal into digital signal. And antennas are there on every mobile to transfer this signal to nearby mobile tower. Now, for a person who does not know about actual working of this system, it may look like as these signals transfer from user to nearby tower and then directly to another tower which is near to the receiver. But this is not the case, as each mobile phone takes a certain bandwidth. It is not possible to connect all mobile phones to single tower. Also, due to losses in wireless communication, only nearby tower is actually able to catch the signal generated by the mobile antenna. Therefore, we set up a chain of towers around the world. In technical language, these towers are called base transceiver stations or BTS. BTS connects a user to network. Depending upon the population of users in a particular area, BTS towers are set up. Now, due to bandwidth constraints, more number of towers are required to handle users in a population dense area than in area where population of users is less. Now a new problem arises. How can a BTS tower select the tower which is nearby to receiver? To solve this, base station controller and mobile switching center are set up. BSC is a network element that controls and monitors a number of base stations and provide the interface between the BTS and the mobile switching center. There is one BSC on certain number of BTS towers in an area. Similarly, there is one MSC on certain number of BSC. These BTS towers, BSCs and MSCs are all connected by optical fibers, which is a long thin thread of glass through which information can be sent in the form of light. For more understanding of this network, let's talk about in the caller and receiver point of view. As each mobile phone have specific SIM card, its location is registered in its local MSC. Hence, when caller dials a particular number, then its MSC transfer it directly to the MSC, which is local MSC of receiver. After that, signal goes from MSC to BSC and then to BTS and then finally to receiver mobile. As the technology developed, we got a different generation of mobile phones. First one is first generation, which used frequency division multiple access technique. This was introduced in 1979 and users could only make phone calls. Signals used in this generation was analog. In 1991, second generation, that is 2G, was introduced, which uses time division multiple access technique. In this, users could send SMS, MMS, and emails in addition to phone calls. Third generation was introduced in 2003, which uses wideband code division multiple access technique. Users could make video calls, share files, and watch TV online. In 2009, fourth generation was introduced, which uses orthogonal frequency division multiple access technique. Higher speed easy access are some of its features. Now 5G is introduced in 2020 and it uses enhanced multiple input multiple output technique. Its speed can be as much as 10 gigabits per second. These are the references of this presentation. Thank you.